students. Today we are going to see about the basics of Python. This is a unit 2. Okay. So first here this is the syllabus, current syllabus of unit 2, introduction to Python programming, arithmetic operators, variables, expressions, statements, conditional and recursion, list and tuples. This is the overall syllabus, and today I am going to give the introduction to Python. Introduction to Python. So first everyone know it's a high level programming language, where C and C++ or mid level, but Java and Python are high level programming language, and it is interpreted, interactive and object oriented programming languages. So this is a very easy language compared to C or C++. C or C++ is a structured language, but Python is an unstructured language. So this is the first slide. And why Python? We can learn C, we can learn C++, Java, but why we are going for Python? So in main artificial intelligence, deep learning, data science subject, this will deals easily with the Python coding. Okay. So when you are going for higher level projects using machine learning or applicable in data science, anything, if you want to extract some files, pre-processing, everything will be done using the Python. Okay. So this is easy to learn. It is used in broad range of applications. It's an open source. And next question, it is a procedural, functional and object oriented language. We can split the Python codes into modules and we can work it. So evaluation of Python. So it was developed by Rosen in the year 1990. Okay. So it is named after a comedy group. So Monty Python is a comedy group. From this only this name evolved, Python language. Okay. It is derived from C and C++ only. As usual, Java and other scripting languages is also used in this Python. It's a free and open source language. Anything, anywhere we can download a free. So next one is the futures of Python. It's an extensive standard library. It has cross-platform compatibility. It is very portable and extendable, and databases and GUI programming also used. And what is token? Everyone know in C also tokens is used. It's the smallest elements, right? So what are the types of token? Keyword, identifier, operator, delimiter, and literals. These are the various keywords in the various elements in the token. So what is keyword? Even in C or C++ also we can use keyword. Same in Python. Some unique keywords will be used. That is else if, global, yield, non-local, await, asynchronous, assert. These are the some unique global keywords used in this Python. Okay, it is very case sensitive. Identifiers. So it's a name given to anything that you want to identify in a program. These are basically helps to refer the particular item in a program, right? So there are many rules to create an identifier, as we know in the C also. Some special rules are there, like that it never use special symbols. It can contain only digits. It can start with an underscore, and we can't use reserved words. These are some of the rules as we know earlier, and these are some of the examples we can use for the identifier. Delimiters. Everyone know the punctuation symbols, grouping symbols, and assignment binding operators are called as delimiters, right? And literals. These are the data that is used in a program. So particularly any number, string, anything we can use as a literal. Variables is also an identifier. It is used to refer a value, particular value in a program, that is known as a variable. Okay, it is a name of memory location. Mainly it is a stored for data formats. So certain rules are there to define a variable also. That is, it contain a letter from A to Z, uppercase letters. It cannot contain any digit. We can use any special symbols to define a variable, and these are also case sensitive. Okay. And syntax. This is a syntax for variable. Defining a variable name is equal to particular value should be defined, as I gave one example also. Okay. These are some input output operations you can use as input, and for output operation we can use the keyword as output print. You can use that keyword as print. Okay, so these are the output, various output operations. Okay, so next, comments. We also known as single line comments and multi-line comments in C, C++ scripts. Same in the Python also. We can use single line comment or multi-line comment. Okay. So next is data types. From this data types, I will finish the basics of Python. So data types is classified as numbers, boolean, sequence, mapping, and setting. Okay. The numbers is specifically classified as integer, float, complex. Boolean is, you know, that true or false values. Sequence is nothing but a string, list, or tuple. Okay. In Python, this two things are added. List and tuple is the new thing. And in mapping, dictionary. So this list, tuple, and dictionary are the most important things in the Python data types. And set and frozen set will be used. So other than the common things, a different is list, tuple, and dictionary. This is the important concepts in the Python language. So this today we saw about the basics of the Python. Thank you.